We had, 13th meeting of Kaveri Water Management Authority today at Delhi.
Mobile, silent mobile.
Mask? So we have, 13th meeting of Kaveri Water Management Authority today at Delhi. And the meeting was attended by the states of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka physically. And the states of Puducherry and Kerala, they joined the meeting on VC. So we discussed all the related issue related with Kaveri water management issues, and the meeting went very smoothly, cordially. All the participants, they participated. They gave their views on all the issues. And one of the main issue is basically, realization of water for the state of Tamil Nadu. So there was a issue that some, less quantity of water from Karnataka was released to Tamil Nadu, and Tamil Nadu requested that because in the month of September, they have this overlapping crop of Kurvai as well as Samba. So they need certain, good quantity of water. So it was ensured. Talked to state of Karnataka, and Karnataka ensured that in the month of September they will be making all the shortfall. They will be making it good, and that realization will be there. And other issue, whatever is there, that was discussed, and the meeting went cordially with all the participants.
What was the quantity of backlog?
Actually, what has happened, the total, realization that is to be made till end of August, it was about 86 TMC. Approximately 86 TMC they were supposed to release, and they had released about 57 TMC so far, as on 28th of August 2021. So now we have, discussed, we have seen the hydrometeorological condition in the basin, and we impressed upon the state of Karnataka to, release this additional quantity of water. Whatever is the deficit, to make good in the, month of September.
What is the what is the situation now? Storage and all?
Storages, that I'll tell that we have, inflow in the 4 reservoirs, Harangi, Hemwati, Kambini and KRS, totaling to roughly about 156 TMC. But again, when we compare with the long-term average, the long-term average says the inflows should be around 209 TMC. So against 209 TMC, they have realized about 156 the inflows. The means inflows are about 25% less. So accordingly, looking to the, actual availability, if there is a deficit, then deficit is to be shared. If there is surplus, then surplus is to be shared. So basically, there is a 25% deficit. But looking to that also, we looking to the condition at present that yes, because in the 4 reservoirs sufficient water is available, so we requested that that should be made good. But overall, Karnataka reservoir, they have a deficit of about 25% compared to long-term average.
What is the forecast in this month?
Forecast, we have, IMD forecast that September we will be getting good rains. So hopefully, with those good rains, we will be, those things will be made over. All the deficit will be made good.
In Tamil Nadu, what is their deficit is there? Tamil Nadu also.
Tamil Nadu has got water at Mettur, roughly about 34 TMC is there. But again, their delta requirement, that will be increasing in the month of September, then onwards.
Roughly we can say 28 TMC.
Where?
Roughly we can say that 28 TMC. 34.
What 28?
Karnataka has to release.
No. Basically, their as in a normal year they are supposed to release 86 TMC. 86 TMC. Out of that they have released, because this year is about 25% less.
From June to say
June, July, August. In 3 months it is 86 TMC, against which they have released about 56 TMC.
The rest of the water they have to release.
That deficit we have requested that should be made good in the month of September. And September we have got, IMD forecast is that yes, we will be getting good rains.
when will be next review? When is the next meeting?
We have, you know, that Kaveri Water Regulation Committee, and that meets very frequently. Maybe every 15-20 days they meet, so they will be
Sir,
reviewing this
Sir,
committee.
what about Meghalaya? Was there any discussion in this meeting? Because Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry is opposing not to discuss the Meghalaya issue in this
No,
meeting because the case is
Mekadatu
pending.
is a you know, issue that is included in the agenda, and we wanted to discuss that because it is the agenda. But again, you know, looking to the views of the state, we have deferred the issue that we will be again, you know, taking up at an appropriate time.
Okay, what was Karnataka's request about
See,
the
Karnataka,
Meghalaya issue?
that Karnataka, you know, Mekadatu is a project proposed by government of Karnataka. So definitely they will be going ahead with, they will be proposing that we should take up the project as early as possible, and CWMA should give its note to go ahead with the project. But again, once CWMA, you know, that is formed, the authority has to take a decision on this project. They have to give, you know, their views that the project, you know, clears all the interstate issues. So that views again, you know, it will be discussed in the, you know, next CWMA meeting, and then it will be decided. But
Next-
right now it has been deferred.
Because the case is pending in the Supreme Court. That's what the Tamil
No,
Nadu
no,
and
the
Pondicherry-
cases are pending in the Supreme Court. There are, you know, other issues also.
Okay.
But as far as, you know, interstate issues are concerned, they will be dealt because it is a body, it is a authority of 4 states where all the members are there. So it will be discussed here on.
Okay.
Did Karnataka
Sir,
raise
whether the
that-
approval of other state is required to build a dam or
Definitely it is required.
Sir,
In a basin, whenever you are going for a project, you have to see, you know, concurrence of the co-basin
so
states.
it's not only about consultation, it's
Ah.
about approval also.
Approval means it is consent, that is called, you know, in technical terms, it is not known as consent.
sir, is Karnataka raised the Gundiyar river linking project of Tamil Nadu? which they
Yeah,
are-
Tamil Nadu has, you know, they have a project called Kaveri Gundal link,
Yes, yes.
you know, that they have proposed.
Yes.
Again, the discussion on that project is also deferred.
Therefore, did Karnataka raise that issue?
Yeah, Karnataka has objection on that.
Okay.
Sir, why Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry is opposing the project? Did they said anything briefly
It is
about
better
the-
you ask them, na?
Sir,
Because
they
will
might
be-
have informed the.
No. See, who is opposing, he can give you a reasonable reply.
Okay, sir.
Right.
But today you deferred the
What issues?
agenda. That's what we are.
We have deferred. We decided that we will be discussing that issue in the next meeting, or subsequent
So
you
meeting.
have decided
once you are
to,
sir, once you are deferred the issue, then how can comments again it will be taken? Once you deferred with once you are deferred this issue along with 3 states, Kerala and Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, they are deferred. Then again, how can you take this same issue again?
No, for the time being we have deferred. That right now, not today it will be discussed, maybe on some day.
So what will be development in future? How can you say that now the issue is deferred in the other 3 states? Then what kind of the future course it will be take again this issue?
Again, in the next meeting, again we will be, you know, taking up this issue. And if the state says, okay, we will discuss, then we will discuss that.
So if all 4 states ready to discuss, then
Definitely, we
I
have
think
to.
that's all.
ठीक है?
Okay,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.